In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the segment builder in Activecampaign. This feature is an essential tool in optimizing your email marketing strategy by allowing you to better target your audience. So let's get started on this journey to mastering the segment builder. First, you'll want to go to the Activecampaign website. Now, if you already have an account, the next step is to log in. You'll see the login option prominently displayed on the home page. Click on it to begin accessing your dashboard. Once you're at the login screen, type in your account name. Make sure you enter it accurately to avoid any login issues. After you've done that, go ahead and click on the login button to proceed. Now that you're logged into your dashboard, look for the Campaigns tab. Clicking on this will direct you to the Campaigns section, where you'll see an overview of all your ongoing and past campaigns. For our session today, you'll want to create a new campaign. There's usually a Create a Campaign button visible somewhere at the top or side of the page, depending on the setup. This is your next destination, so click that button to create a new campaign. You're now in the campaign creation phase. The first thing you'll want to do here is to give your campaign a meaningful name. This will help you easily identify it later on, especially as your number of campaigns grows. Once you've named your campaign, you'll see a Next button. Hit that to move forward. Next up is crafting an engaging subject line. This might seem like a small detail, but the subject line is crucial to ensuring your emails get opened. Think of it as a preview or headline that entices recipients to see what's inside. Type in your subject line, keeping it concise yet intriguing. Moving along, you'll want to specify the subscriptions. Focus on which list you're targeting. There's usually an option that says subscribe to lists. When you click on select a list, you'll be able to see all the lists you've created. Choose the appropriate list that aligns with the goals of your campaign. After selecting your list, look for the All Active Subscribers option and click on it. This will ensure you're targeting everyone who is actively engaging with your content. Following that, you'll find an option to send using custom conditions. Click on this to refine your target audience further with particular conditions or criteria. The next step is to click on Saved Segments. If you have already created segments, you can utilize them here. Select the segments you want to include, and once you've made your selection, click on Use Conditions to apply these settings. Finally, before wrapping up, make sure everything is correctly set up and aligned with your objectives. Once you're satisfied, click on Save to secure all your settings and progress. And there you have it, how to skillfully use the segment builder in Activecampaign. With time and practice, you'll find segmenting your audience will greatly enhance your campaign's effectiveness. Thanks for watching, and happy segmenting.